Good morning, class. Today I will discuss how to implement 8086 assembly language program for code conversion. Suppose first program is conversion of 8-bit BCD number into binary number. And what is the procedure you will follow? You already have seen in 8085 microprocessor. Again, I am implementing this program in 8086. Suppose number is available in 500 offset. This is your 500 offset. Assume that number is 25. 25. This is your BCD number. Now, what is the procedure? First, separate these two digits 05 and 02, and you know how 5 you will get. Just you have to perform AND operation with 0f, and similarly to get 2, perform AND operation with f0, then result will be 20. But again to get 2 you have to reverse the number, and for this you will rotate 4 times. After rotating 4 times the number becomes reverse, and now you have to multiply 02 into a. You have to multiply. A means nothing, it is 10 in decimal. You have to multiply higher order nibble 2 with a, and after getting result from here you will add this into 5. What is a into 2? A into 2 is 20. It is greater than f, so 20 minus 16, 20 minus 16 4, and 1 carry. Now you add this 1 4 with this 5. 14 plus 5, it is nothing, 19. Suppose you are storing the result in offset 600. This is your final result. Similarly, suppose you are taking 15. What will be the answer? It will be 0f. 0f. You know 15 is nothing, it is 0f. Machine understand only binary language, you know, and result will get in hexadecimal number system, but machine will automatically take in binary number system. How you will get? 1 5, separate these two. Now 1 into a, you know what is 1 into a? This is nothing, this is a plus 5. A plus 5, this is nothing, this is f. Now I will implement program for this. First, move si comma 500 for source offset. For destination of offset I will take di, move di comma 600, where you are storing the result, this 600. Now transfer this contains into al, move al comma bracket si. Now value of al is nothing, it is 25. Now you can move this in BL register, move BL comma AL. Now BL is nothing, it is what, 25. Now perform AND operation, and BL comma 0f, 0f, you will get 5, and here 0. This is nothing, this is value of BL. Again remember, in case of 8085 we were taking only accumulator as a destination operand in case of logical and arithmetical instruction, but in case of 8086 it is not mandatory to take destination operand AL in most of the cases. Okay, now BL is 0 5. Now move AL equal to 25, perform AND operation, and AL comma F0. Now what is the value of AL? AL is 0 25 into F0, it is 20. You know, in AND operation, if both inputs are high, output is high, otherwise low. So if F is there, all bits are 1, so 2 will come in 0. 0 and something always will be 0. So 20. Now you have to reverse the number 20. For this you can use ROR instruction. ROR instruction. What is ROR? ROR, this is your ROR AL comma CL. This is the format. Rotate accumulator right without carry, and value of count is CL. If you are rotating one time, just use CL equal 0 1. If you want to rotate 4 times, in that case first initialize CL equal to 0 4. Now rotate ROR AL comma CL. It will reverse the number. So move CL comma 0 4. It is nothing, it means CL equal to 4. Now apply rotate ROR AL comma CL. Now contents of accumulator are shifted towards right direction 4 times, and you know, after applying ROR or RLC, number becomes reverse. So value of AL will be what? 20. It will be 2. Now what you have to do? You have to multiply with A. Now take one register, move DL comma 0A, move DL comma 0A. Now apply mul instruction, mul DL. It is nothing, it means AX equal to AL into DL. And what is AX? AL equal to 2 and it is 0. 0 into 2, it is nothing, it is 14. 0 0 AH means 0 0 and AL equal to 14. Now you have to add this into 5. And where is 5? It is available in BL register. So simply apply add AL comma what? BL. It will add contents of BL and contents of AL, and it will store the result in AL. And finally store the result in 600 offset, and value of 600 is value of DI. So move bracket DI comma AL halt. So in this way you can perform 8-bit BCD number code conversion into binary number. Now we will see how to convert 8-bit binary number into gray number. Binary to gray. Suppose value is 4F. It is available in 500 offset. It is input, and you have to store the result in 600 offset. In 600 offset. Now what is the procedure for this? You know how to determine the binary to gray conversion. First, convert is into binary 0 1 0 0. 4 is this, F is 1 1 1 1. Now we rotate every bit by one time in right direction. 0, this 1 0 0 1 1 1. But we know MSB of gray number is same as MSB of binary number. So it must be, what will be this value? This value must be 0. Must be 0. You know A XOR 0 is always A. So how you will get 0 here? For this you have one instruction, SHR AL comma 01. In case of SHR, shift logical right. In this case, what happens? 0 is shifted. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This bit is shifted here. This bit is shifted here in right direction. This here and this here. And 0 is inserted here. In case of SHR. And similarly there is one instruction, SAR, shift arithmetical right. In this case MSB is retained. So we will use SHR instruction. SHR. It will rotate the contents of accumulator towards right direction by one time, and MSB is 0. So now perform XOR operation. 1 or 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 or 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0. 1 means nothing, 0 1 1 0 means 6, and 1 0 0 means nothing. It is what? 8. This will be the answer in gray, 68H. Now we will make the program. Move SI comma 500 for source offset. For destination offset, move DI comma 600. Now move the contents of 500 in AL. Now AL equal to 4F. Now again move it into BL register for future reference. Now apply SHR instruction. SHR AL comma 01. Now after applying this instruction you will get this. Now simply XOR with BL. XOR AL comma BL. Now store the result in 600 offset. Move DI comma what? AL. This is your program. In this way you can implement your binary to gray code conversion. Now you have learned SHR instruction, XOR instruction. Basically in this program what you have seen, how to apply logical instruction SHR, XOR in any program. Similarly in this case again you have logical instruction, ROR, AND is logical instruction. This is your logical instruction, and this mul, this is arithmetical instruction. This is your arithmetical instruction, and the rest one are data transfer instruction. It's all about your today class. Thank you so much for watching.